Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video series, we're going to be showing you everything you need to know on how to run the corner box. So before we dive into the specifics of how to use a corner applicator box, let's first talk about what it is and what it does. So it's very similar to a flat box in the sense that you fill it up with mud and then you apply it to the wall, and using pressure, you evenly distribute mud along your corner. You fill it up through the front nozzle here, and as this starts to get filled up, as you start to pump it up, the hinged mechanism on the back, the mud starts to kind of fill up your corner box. So this would be it closed. As you start to pump it up, your hinge gets pushed back as this fills up with mud. And then your corner finisher, or more commonly referred to as an angle head, it simply clicks onto the nose cone here. And then as you apply this to the wall and you start adding pressure, you're forcing that back hinged gate to push the mud out the front of the nose cone, and that fills up your angle head, and you evenly apply a nice coat of mud along your inside corner. Corner boxes are typically sold in two different sizes. You have a 7-inch and an 8-inch corner box. So the one I'm using here today is a 7-inch box, and the only difference between the two is that the 8-inch box is just a little bit bigger, so it carries that much more mud, so it'll stretch you a lot further along your angles while you're coating them. So the corner box itself is available in two different sizes, 7 as well as an 8-inch, and then you have different size and different style handles. So you have fixed length handles, which are exactly what they sound like. It's a fixed length, it's not extendable. And then you have extendable handles like the one I'm using here today. So you can reach higher ceiling heights. So, you know, this is almost 7 feet with the corner box attached. I'm only doing 8-foot ceilings here, but with an extendable handle like this, I would comfortably be able to reach 10-foot ceilings, possibly even higher. So I definitely recommend getting an extendable handle. It's just a lot more versatile, and it's a little more expensive off the hop, but like I said, more versatile, and you're giving yourself the options of bidding, you know, bigger, more custom jobs with higher ceiling heights. So that's a quick overview of a corner box, as well as the different style handles and different sizes. Hope you appreciated that. Make sure to check out our other videos on how to use the corner box. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you were able to learn something from it. If you didn't find what you were looking for, make sure to check out our other videos, because we are constantly uploading new material. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we release new content. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.